Welcome to our video on wooden furniture decor. Today, we'll explore the beauty and versatility of wooden furniture, discussing various styles, tips for decoration, and how to integrate wooden pieces into your home. Wood has long been a favored material in furniture design due to its durability, aesthetic appeal, and the warmth it brings to any space. Whether you're looking to create a rustic cabin feel or a modern minimalist vibe, wooden furniture can be the perfect foundation for your decor. The beauty of wood. Wooden furniture comes in a variety of types, each with its unique characteristics. From the rich grains of oak and walnut to the light tones of pine, the variety of woods allows for endless possibilities in design. Natural aesthetics. Wood adds warmth and texture to a room. Its natural beauty can be highlighted through finishes that showcase the grain and color. Sustainability. Choosing wooden furniture can be an environmentally friendly choice, especially if sourced from sustainable forests. Versatility. Wooden furniture can fit into nearly any style, from traditional to contemporary. It can be stained, painted, or left natural, making it adaptable to your personal aesthetic. Styles of wooden furniture, 600 words. Rustic. Rustic wooden furniture embraces imperfections, showcasing the raw beauty of wood. Look for reclaimed wood pieces, which add character and history to your space. Accessories like vintage lanterns and earthy textiles complement this style beautifully. Modern. Modern wooden furniture features clean lines and minimalistic designs. Think of sleek wooden dining tables with metal accents or Scandinavian-inspired coffee tables. Pair these pieces with neutral decor to keep the focus on the furniture itself. Miniature side table, a compact round or square side table that can fit beside a chair or bed. Consider designs with curves or unique legs. Floating shelves, simple wooden shelves that can hold books, plants, or decorative items. They save space and add character to walls. Wooden stools, lightweight wooden stools that can serve as seating or a small side table. They can be painted or left natural. Storage cube, a small wooden cube that doubles as a seat and storage for magazines or toys. Nightstand with drawers, a small nightstand with a couple of drawers for storing essentials close to your bed. Wooden crate, use a decorative wooden crate for storage or as a makeshift table. You can stack them for a unique look. Foldable table, a small, foldable wooden table that can be used for dining or as a workspace, easily stored when not in use. Wood decor ideas. Wooden wall art, create or buy wooden panels with intricate designs or rustic finishes to hang on walls. Wooden frames, use reclaimed wood for picture frames to display your favorite photos or artwork. Wooden planters, small wooden boxes or troughs for indoor plants, adding a natural touch to your decor. Decorative bowls, hand-carved wooden bowls that can be used for fruit or as centerpieces. Wooden candle holders, simple wooden holders for tea lights or pillar candles to create a cozy atmosphere. Coasters, natural wood slices or custom-carved coasters to protect your surfaces while adding style. Wooden signs, personalized wooden signs for your home or garden, adding a touch. Traditional. Traditional wooden furniture often features intricate carvings and rich finishes. Mahogany and cherry woods are popular choices. To enhance this style, incorporate classic decor elements like ornate mirrors and rich fabrics. Industrial. Industrial decor combines wood with metal for a rugged, urban feel. Consider wooden bookshelves with metal frames or reclaimed wood dining tables paired with metal chairs. This style often incorporates exposed brick and concrete for a complete look. Eclectic. Eclectic decor allows for a mix of styles and textures. Combine vintage wooden pieces with modern art and colorful textiles. This approach creates a unique and personalized space that reflects your individuality. Decorating with wooden furniture. Layering textures. To enhance the warmth of wooden furniture, layer different textures. Combine wood with fabrics like linen, wool, or cotton. Throw blankets and cushions can add comfort and visual interest. Color palette. Choose a color palette that complements the wood tones in your furniture. Earthy tones, soft neutrals, and deep jewel colors work well. Consider painting walls in soft hues to allow the wooden pieces to stand out. Accessories. Accessorize your wooden furniture with decorative items. Plants, greenery adds life to wooden decor. Use wooden planters or hang plants above wooden tables. Art, choose artwork that complements the wood's color and grain. Framed prints or canvas art can create a focal point. Lighting, incorporate wooden lamps or pendant lights to tie in with your decor while providing functional lighting. Functional spaces. Think about how to use wooden furniture to create functional spaces. Reading nooks, a comfortable wooden chair paired with a small table can create a perfect reading corner. Dining areas, a sturdy wooden dining table can be the centerpiece of family gatherings. Add chairs in different styles for an eclectic look. Home offices, a wooden desk paired with ergonomic chairs can create a productive workspace. Seasonal decor. Change your decor seasonally to keep your wooden furniture looking fresh. In fall, add warm colors and cozy textiles. In spring, incorporate lighter fabrics and vibrant flowers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas on small wooden furniture and decor. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.